What's good, everybody? It's your boy Hoodie JJ back in another video again with my dog.
Be cool, be cool. What up? What up? What up?
Playing this another game, playing Roblox. It's on game on Roblox called, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Shawarma. It's the shawarma truck.
But y'all just bear with me. I'm trying to get better with my words. But y'all go subscribe to him to his YouTube channel. Gonna be down below in the description. Subscribe here too. Finna hop straight into it. Like, comment, subscribe, enjoy the video, and go check out his videos too. He gonna drop his videos soon. He's twitching too, so I'm gonna twitch soon. I don't know when, but let's get right into it.
What up?
Who's at work?
About interrupt me about what?
You was on the phone. I was about to ask you a question for you, like you on the phone. I thought you was just singing, but I like asking a question. Let's get it right into
I'm saying what you about to say. What you about to ask me.
I was like, about to twitch, but I already half forgot to ask you. I'm finna play the way out game too. Let me move myself a little bit
All right, all right.
Oh snap.
He what got
Oh,
a gun?
it's a shotgun?
He got shotgun, bazooka.
Midnight already.
Turn this off. Turn
Perfect
myself
time
up a
to
little
sell
bit,
food.
you know.
Key.
Find a key.
Where'd I put them this time?
Oh!
Turn it off.
Hey. Oh, he got guns everywhere.
Let's
Sitting on
just
the
find
couch.
the key.
Yeah, bathroom. Where the keys at? Oh, the key right here.
There it is.
You coming?
Yeah, I had to turn that game down a little bit. Alright.
Look, you got the gun right. You can't even pick it up. You gotta pay for it. Bazooka? What
You've gotta be kidding me.
Oh.
the? That man
Nothing
got guns
left.
everywhere. I don't even. You wanna drive?
Market run first.
Yep.
Go ahead and do your thing.
Get out of my goddamn way.
Oh, what the?
I ain't even get to see it. I looked at
You
you.
bust that lip. What do you ain't see that?
I turned around to look at you.
Oh my goodness.
I turned around to look at you.
Supplies are in the back aisle.
salad.
So, in the back aisle.
Take your time.
That man got guns in the store too?
The salad. What's this? It's shawarma.
Why it's not let me you already got the salad.
I got the lavish.
Oh, I'm just opening everything.
I got the sauce.
Yeah, why it's not letting me? It's not letting me pick Nam like the supplies and stuff.
The
List.
cheese right here.
How you grabbing it? He tell me I gotta pay for it.
You click it. You whatever.
Oh,
You on controller, man.
yeah, we gotta grab that meat.
Yeah, meat. What is talking about? Shawarma? You found the meat?
Right here.
I don't know what
It's over there by that drink. The other stuff.
Oh, it is a shawarma.
Be careful out there.
I will.
Alright, man. You gonna give me that gun so I can protect myself? Or not?
Look at wide body.
Alright. That's your boy.
We in the car.
No,
Hey man, you're good to go. But let me break the job down real quick for you. First, start with the lavash. Put it on the counter. Then you're gonna slice the meat and add it to the lavash. After that, add toppings, salad, sauce, cheese.
Salad.
One more thing, if a customer's eyes are white, don't serve them. Close the shutter.
What about this door right here?
I marked your first stop on the map. Good luck.
Good luck. I don't know where we going. I can open the back door.
I ain't got no tunes in here, man. Let me pay attention. I probably see some this time. Oh, we setting up shot right here.
The middle of the... Who are
Go
that?
to the back of the truck. Wait, what? Who?
You don't see no folks sitting out there?
Oh yeah, man, they stayed up. We served them. They're my boys. Your boys, man.
Go back to the truck and start with the generator. Oh, somebody walking up.
Yeah. If they got white eye, don't serve them.
There we go.
How you did that?
Hey, I'll
just
take a
press that
shawarma
button right
with
here, that
sauce,
button right here.
cheese, and salad.
Right.
And a cola
it
on the
though.
side.
Okay.
I don't know what he wanted.
I forgot already.
Shawarma, cheese,
How
and
you-
salad.
Wait, how you know he wanted?
Lavish? Didn't I roll it? Wait, what am I missing? Sauce? Sauce?
You gave it to him?
Hell no. Oh, it said lavish, salad, cheese, and the cola. Oh, that's what I'm missing. Man, you could at least make the drink!
But I don't even see the order.
It's at the top.
Oh.
Sauce. Did I forget the cheese? Nah.
Man, we
I
only
think
got...
I did. I did.
Make another one.
Trash.
Damn, lay it down. Where's the... cheese?
Sorry, they on there. I already had it all of that. Hold on, I got it. Hold on.
You had a beat on there?
Nah, there you go.
Take it, man.
Maybe I made it wrong. Oh, you threw it to him.
Here you go.
Oh, I see. Okay, I'm pressing the wrong button.
Nice, thanks.
That man is literally falling there, dude.
I'm just wondering what'll happen if I go out of the shoe. I thought I was gonna get jumped.
Hey, can you make it quick?
Oh!
Shawarma,
Oh,
cheese.
what?
and
Oh, looking
salad
at this,
only.
the paper right here.
No drink.
Salon. Put the meat on there. Lettuce.
Salad,
Nope, that's not. Get off.
cheese.
Get off there.
I got it.
That's it. He is floating.
Here,
Oh, he's standing or something.
You shouldn't be out this late.
But I just caught the chills. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Why? Cause he said that?
Yes. You ain't feel that?
That's your boy.
I'm not telling you be out. You don't should be out this late, man.
Oh, you ain't even got a flashlight.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, hello, dear.
What up, Mike?
Could I have a shawarma?
I got you,
With
Granny.
salad, no cheese.
Salad, no cheese.
I got it on the.
Granny, what you doing out there late anyway?
Thank you, sweetheart.
You ain't gonna answer my mug?
Oh,
Oh!
shit.
Turn the lights back on, nigga. How?
Oh, what the fuck?
Close it.
Shawarma.
Ow!
Close it.
Just shawarma.
Yeah, that's enough.
Oh, he walked away.
I'm not staying here.
Feeling like they been waiting for
Man,
us.
these my boys,
You
man.
go out there and have fun. Who was
They
that
my
walking?
block.
Hey, you don't see that dude walking?
Ain't that right, Terry?
Hey, cheese shawarma
Cheese shawarma.
and the cola.
And the cola. Where is the cola?
It's them boxes.
Your
You
cola.
doing good tonight, homeboy? You
Yeah.
been making that bread, trapping.
Here you go.
Thanks.
No problem. Just when we
We got-
spend back after we leave, we want that money.
Hey man, shawarma. Put everything on it.
Man, he want everything.
I need the calories.
I got you.
No cola, too much sugar.
Man, what you want there? Damn, man. Don't hit me. Bow, 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 bow. You done?
Yeah.
You guys always work this late?
Yeah.
Man, you know we always out here every night. Stop playing, man.
Take it easy.
Man, fuck that. Man, get out of here. I have my money when we spend back, just like I told Reggie.
Hi, can you make it fast?
Make it fast.
Shawarma. Just sauce and salad.
Lady was sitting around in the
Man.
corner. I don't know what I'm doing. I forgot what I was doing for a second. Oh shit, let me stop playing.
Here you go.
There's another dude
Perfect, thanks.
sitting way over there.
Was that quick enough for you, London?
Can I get a
What the
shawarma?
Do you even have any money for it?
Hey, please, man, I need it.
Hit the
I'm
road.
serious, bro. I'm starving.
Hit the road, Jack.
So
With that-
you're not giving me one?
You got an Adidas jacket on. Oh! Oh, that's speed! That is speed! That is speed!
I didn't know that was finna go on. Oh my god.
Survive? What am I supposed to do?
That's what I'm saying.
I can't even get no gun in there.
That boy really said, "You're really not about to give me a shawarma?"
Get out of there,
You
speed.
good, man? We gotta punch him.
Okay. Okay. Come here, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Mess with me no
Hold
more.
on.
Sound like speed. Y'all on somewhere.
He said he sound like speed.
Yeah, he was talking about. What?
That's another one.
Oh shit.
Hello. All I need is one shawarma.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
To me.
Just lavash and salad.
Yeah. Go about your business. Got deer horns.
They
not
got
that.
deer antlers.
That's it, horns. Fuck me. He just disappeared.
Hello, you. I'll take a shawarma. Just lavash and shawarma.
They scary, man.
And a cola.
And the, why is he so long to order something?
You're very calm. Most people get jumpy this late.
He finna do something.
Here you go, Pop.
Calm suits you.
Here, man.
Here you go.
Go back to that Ratchet Motel.
Perfect, thanks.
Yeah, make that money, man. Cause when we spend back, we want all of it.
We got to stop by the gas station.
Oh! Oh my God.
What is that?
What wants to do, Quincy?
I think it wants food.
Close it.
No, don't close it. Don't close it. I think if we close it, that gonna be our worst decision. All right, let's just make them some food.
All right. I don't want to be slinging around. You sure live breathing hard.
Yeah, that would make me scared.
Wait, Shawarma over here.
I'm rolling it up. I'm rolling it up.
We dropping
JJ.
like.
Did it leave?
Man, yeah, he leaving.
That was close.
You guys running this thing?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
Good. I need a
All right, man. That's Captain
Where to?
America.
Nearest gas station.
Huh?
His eyes white though.
No, we're not taking anyone.
Bad call.
He could have.
Bad call.
He's still in the
What's wrong with
motel.
him?
Oh, what the?
Oh snap!
What was that?
You shut the door?
Nah.
Quincy, what did they didn't want me to shut the door?
Open?
It's something out there.
What the? Drive, man. Drive. 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 Drive, Quincy. Drive, Quincy. Drive, Quincy. In the truck.
Is it still behind us?
But he walked in the side of the truck.
I know.
That was close. Way too close.
Wait, hold on. Is he on top of the truck? No.
What time do you
Hey,
close?
what's up, dude? Man, yeah.
Whoa.
that one-
Slows down. Call what?
The coin.
Hold on, Quincy.
Heads?
Hold on, Quincy. He finna kill the dude. Hold on, don't go over there. He finna kill the dude.
You're still here. Don't waste it.
What the?
He did the T-pose down low.
There's a car up ahead.
Keep going. Man.
Let's see what we can help him, man.
He like ghost people. Hey there, my brothers and sisters.
Thank God you stopped.
What happened to your car?
It just died. Can you help us?
What you want to do, Quinn?
Yeah, I chose last time, so. Oh yeah, I think it's just your
What the? Oh, Quinn.
Hey, get back. What's wrong with you? I knew y'all was some bad folks.
We should have kept on moving.
Fuck.
Lay down, partner. Lay down,
fuck
partner.
they cock.
You're serving out here?
Yeah.
JJ,
Mixed shawarma.
Where is he?
And a
why
cola.
you close the door?
I'm scared, dog. Salad. You got this. You already got it. Let me grab the coat there.
You shouldn't stay long.
You shouldn't stay long.
There's something out there.
Bro, why you out here?
He live out here.
A deer, but not a normal one.
I knew I seen it in the road.
For days. If you see it, just run.
I better not see that dude.
I want to go home.
We're out of gas,
Hey,
bro.
everything good?
Yeah, mostly.
Good. That's it for tonight. You can head back.
We can't. We're out of gas.
All right, don't worry about it. I'll send someone.
We're in the forest. Some kind of camp.
My guy will be there soon. He'll be wearing a red cap. Just keep your eyes open.
Why he still like that? We ain't got no flashlight or nothing.
Red cow. Got two niggas walking up.
Oh, you're actually open.
Bro, I can see his eyes.
Didn't expect a food truck out here.
Yeah.
Alright, shawarma with cheese and salad for me. And a cola.
Now put that. We gonna put his stuff on the floor.
You guys been out here long?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Just got here.
We heard something earlier.
Probably nothing.
So what you out here for? You talking about probably nothing.
Man,
That
homeless.
dude knew all about the deer.
Here.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Man, homeless, man. Wait, why he walked up? Wait for help. What the?
What was that?
Shit.
I literally walked to the door and just shut it.
Check it. Come on.
Hey,
Ooh!
I'm here to help.
He got white eyes.
Heard you're out
Yeah,
of
close
gas.
that nigga.
What the hell?
Stay back.
Suit yourself.
Oh, he walked off to the... What the...
Hopefully our help even come. Wait, this the dude.
Food truck?
Where he at?
Yeah.
Boss sent me. Said you ran out of fuel.
Yeah.
Bad timing.
Happens. You guys been out here long?
Yeah, are you gonna
Not
put the
so
gas in
long.
the car?
We finna get ate up by the deer.
Who was that?
You heard that, right?
Yeah. Go take a look.
Who?
Finish this.
Go take a look.
Hurry.
I can't even run. Where we go to?
That's not good.
Oh, he right here.
That's him.
What?
Right here.
You're still here.
What happened?
The deer. You have to leave.
Go, Quest. Run. Go. Oh! You better go, man.
My fucking God.
Wait,
It put me
right back. Go. Go. Go.
It put me right in front
Me
of
too. Go. Go. Run. Go. He lifted the hand on my butt. And get the other side. No. He's chasing me. Stop the truck. What's wrong with you?
Oh, we're dead.
Drive. Drive.
I'm trying to take us.
He's killing me. He's killing me. He's killing. I
died.
died. So slow right now. And it pulled us to the.
It put us back.
That's crazy. But I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Go subscribe to him. His YouTube gonna be down below in the description. Hope y'all like it. I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm out.